Welcome to this tutorial where I'll show you how to build an Enderman farm that produces thousands of Ender pearls per hour and gives you an incredible amount of experience. This farm is efficient, easy to build, and works perfectly in survival mode. Let's get started with the materials you'll need. Make sure you have all these materials ready before starting the build. Now let's move on to the first step. The first thing you need to do is go to the end and defeat the Ender Dragon if you haven't already. Once the dragon is gone, choose a side of the island and build a straight path of 128 blocks using leaves. It's crucial to use leaves because Endermen can't spawn on them, ensuring that your pathway stays clear. If you want, you can make the pathway wider for safety. At the end of the pathway, place one block as the base. Extend 4 blocks out to each side, and then go 8 blocks forward from one side. Connect all the edges to form a large rectangle. Fill in the platform completely, but leave a 3x3 hole in the center. Once the base is ready, place hoppers pointing into a solid block. Then, break 3 of these solid blocks to add 3 more hoppers. Replace one of the solid blocks with a dropper. This dropper will be activated by 2 dispensers facing each other, creating an infinite activation loop. To control this mechanism, place a lever on top of the dropper. You can turn the dropper on and off using this lever. Cover all the hoppers with carpets. This will ensure that experience orbs and ender pearls don't get stuck. Add a block next to the dropper and surround the base with fences. At the entrance, place 2 temporary blocks. I'm using dirt and 1 solid block. Then, build a roof using the same dimensions as the base, 9x9, but leave a 3x3 hole in the center. Cover the roof with 2 layers of carpet, except around the 3x3 hole. Now, the important part, place 2 temporary support blocks around the hole, then surround it with blocks. Repeat this process 12 more times, making a total of 13 floors. On the 13th floor, surround the edges with blocks and build a cross-extending 3 blocks out in each direction. Fill in this area completely. Around the central hole, place trapdoors. These will trick Endermen into thinking they're solid blocks, causing them to fall. In the middle of the hole, place a temporary block for support and stack 2 blocks upward. Add an iron bar on top and place a carpet on the iron bar. Next, go up 2 more blocks and create a small platform where you'll summon the Endermite. To do this, place a rail and minecart, then use Ender pearls repeatedly until an Endermite appears. Keep in mind that there's only a 5% chance of spawning an Endermite with each pearl. When the Endermite spawns, be careful, it's hostile and can deal damage. Name the Endermite using a name tag to prevent it from despawning. Place another rail to guide the minecart to the Endermite. Once the Endermite is inside the minecart, move it next to the iron bar. Once everything is in place, you can start removing unnecessary blocks. Finally, add a carpet on top of the Endermite as a protective roof to keep it safe from Endermen. And that's it! Now you can enjoy your Enderman farm and all the experience and resources it provides. If you liked this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a big like. See you in the next one.